channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today is an exciting day because we've got some moolah and we've got to go put it in our sinking funds. So let's get started. What do you have here? What is this? $2,024 in 2024. That's what we are going to do. We are going to cash stuff $2,024 into our sinking funds. And these are the sinking funds that we are going to sink into. This is all from Mischief Managed Budgets. You can find this on her Etsy shop, as well as this beautiful dashboard and these wonderful scratch-off cards. And yes, I will be scratching them all off today because I shared with you those long-term savings. They don't really work for me. But by the way, I just wanted to just share that I did get this cute sticker and penguin ornament and a scratch off from Wren when I ordered this wonderful scratch off savings challenge. Okay, so I have my binder here. I'll put it to the side, and this is where we're going to be cash stuffing the funds. I don't know that I'll need the calculator. All right, hopefully not. So let's get started. All right, 7 is self-care. Whoop, whoop, that's me, self-care. And I'm gonna scratch off both, oh yeah, I'll need a calculator. Because I'm gonna scratch off both, we're gonna get this done. We're getting this done. So there we go. I will need the calculator, so let's move this up and get the calculator here. I'm a lefty. 49 plus 31 is $80. So we got $80 going into self-care, which is number 7. Woo! All right, let's get into the swing here. Number 3, France. Yes, France. How much is going to France? Oops, already did it. This is a red shouldered hawk. Beautiful, red-shouldered hawk. All right, 31 and 50. I can do that math. That's 81. So 50, 70, $81. $81 into France. All right. I don't have time to clean after every single one. Okay, 6 is college. Sam's college fund. He has the purple finch, and he is going to get $86. This is a beautiful purple finch. So $86, 85, 86 bucks to college fund. Who's gonna win next? 7. Yeah, self-care, baby. 49 and 40. Ooh, that's $89. So 50, 70, 85, $89 for self-care. All right. Number 5, the trust attorney. One day we're going to have enough money for that. So now we got, what is that? $59. $59. 55, 59. To the trust attorney, number 5. Oops. And number 4 is birthday. It's your birthday. So we got $28 and 35. We will use a calculator. $63 for birthday. So where is birthday? Right here. Y'all know my husband was saying we got to fund the birthday. 2 is Thanksgiving and Christmas for 2024. So this is a scarlet, I can't say it, tanager, scarlet tanager. It is so pretty. So that's $73 though. $73 to Thanksgiving and Christmas. All right, Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's in my holiday buying envelope. Holiday. Okay, next. Let's see. Don't need that right now. It's in my way. 11 is health. And health is going to get 40. So wow, $88 to health. $88 to health. 587, $88 to health. And number 8, family. All right, family gets on the board. And so family is going to get, they get a big number. 88. So that's 70, 88 to family. All right. Number 6, college. College fund. Boy, if you just get 2 rolls, you are set. $75 for the blue-footed booby. Look at the blue-footed booby. $75. That is so cute. I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna use these cards again. I am, because I have to bring them back. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use them, but I'm definitely gonna use them again because those are cute. Number 4 is the tufted Timus. Tufted Timus. I don't know how to say that. But number 4 is birthday. And birthday is getting, let's see here, 35 plus 49 is $84. 84. I'm out of 2s, so now we're going to 1s. $84 to number 4, which is birthday. Okay, next, let's see what we're spinning for. 5, trust attorney. He's or she is going to be funded here any minute now. So that's $73. 73. So this is a cedar wax wing. Beautiful gray feathers. And look at, oh, it's so beautiful. So anyway, $73 goes to the trust attorney. All right, now, I didn't really spend that good. Although it says, and it got 7 again. Self-care, ooh, self-care. And I am going to do it on this snowy egret. Snowy egret, beautiful. Okay, how much am I getting? 25 and 45. That's $70, right? Yep, $70. Woo, ooh, self-care. Ooh, ooh, self-care. And number 8 for the family. Family is getting $69. 50, 65, 69. I wonder if I could just put 70 in and take $1 from family. Let's see. Is there $1? Yeah, so there. We got 70. All right. Thank you, Wren, for these beautiful cards. 3 is France, and France is the Cooper's hawk. That's a hawk. Wow, look at that wingspan. Oh, that's the picture right here. So this picture right here is the Cooper's hawk. Okay, so France is getting $76. $76 for France. All right, we are moving along. Number 8 is family, and that's this bird here, the red-winged blackbird. Red-winged blackbird, $85 for the red-winged blackbird. Goes to family. Family is getting $85. And yes, we have to split it 5 ways. If you saw my other video, you would know what I'm talking about. $79 is going to health. We need to take care of our health. So here's health. So we got 50, 75, right? I said, yeah, 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 79. Oh, wait, there's a 1 here. So I could take the 1 back and put 80. There we go. So that was 11 for health. All right. Now, I have not rolled a 1. That's a 7, but I have rolled a 7. Self-care is $77, $75, 76, $77 for self-care. Actually, the reason I am rolling so much for self-care is because my phone is not working properly. It does not charge. It's a matter of time before I'm going to just be SOL. Yes. All right, so this is $87 to number 3, which is France. So that's number 3, and that's a blue jay. And that blue jay is gorgeous blue. I don't know what printer Wren uses, but it is absolutely beautiful because those colors are just popping. There's the blue jay right there. So that's the blue jay. Now this is the American robin, and it's going to birthday. So birthday is 69, 50, 65, 66. Well, let's see if I have, 66, 67, 68, 69. That's okay. 50, 65, 66, $69 to birthday. Oh, 1, finally, anniversary. What is anniversary getting? $40, $86, not bad. $85, $86 for anniversary. Woo! Glad anniversary got something. Now, the only one that didn't get anything yet is vacation. 2, Thanksgiving and Christmas. And we're getting down to the end. Thanksgiving and Christmas is $80. Thanksgiving and Christmas gets $80. And then this yellow warbler, which is on the dashboard. Look at it. So the yellow warbler goes to 8. Family, which is 65. There we go. Woo! 12, vacation. And vacation fun is the ruby-throated hummingbird. Ooh, this is a hummingbird, boy. I bet you're in motion. It's beautiful. All right, so the hummingbird is getting $85. And that is vacation. Vacation, the very last envelope. Okay. All right, now, Eastern Phoebe with pretty like lime green feathers. The cruise. Oh my goodness, I forgot about the cruise. Okay, the cruise gonna have to be in another randomizer. $83. So I'm gonna do 85 because I don't have $3. I'll do 86. Add that dollar because I can. I forgot all about the cruise. And so family gets the last scratch off. Which is going to be on a calculator. 46 plus 28. $74. Which we will do $75 for number 8, which is family. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's see. Now we are done. we have allocated, this is all money, guys. This is all money from the 100 envelope challenge. I wanted to allocate it to the sinking funds before just, depositing it into the bank. So let's set this here and then let's count up the funds. So again, I really enjoyed the 100 envelope challenge as far as the success and, I get to allocate this money and all of that, but it was just not as fun for me. So anniversary gets $76. Holidays has money in the bank, but it has 50, 70, 80. Oops. Let's put it in order. Okay. So we've got 100, 5, 10, 12, 14, 15, $153 into holidays, which is Christmas and Thanksgiving. And let's see how much is going to France. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, half 24. So 241, 42, 43, 44, 45. $245 to France. And birthday. 5, 10, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that is 205, 7, and 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's $217, right? 5, 10, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 200. 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. $218 to birthday. And now, the trust attorney. So the trust attorney got 5, 10, 12. So that is 125, 27, 29, 30, 31, 32. $132. Sam's College. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, half 24. So 245, 47, 49, $250 by George. $250. Self-care for my telephone before my phone stops working completely. Because y'all know I need my phone so I can play your videos at overnight, all night long. 5, 10, 15, 17, 19, 21, 22. So that's 225, 26, 27, $227. Yep, 227 for my telephone for self-care. And then, wow, the family did good. Yes, the family did good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, half 37, half 38. $382. My husband will be very happy. $382. Uh-oh, we didn't get anything for household this round. So I'm going to have to remember, let's flag household for the next random. Might as well make sure household gets included. The cruise did not get a whole lot, only got $86. So that's not good. We're going to have to do the cruise, make sure the cruise gets picked again. And now miscellaneous, this is for health. Health did not do bad at all, which is good because I had to pay for my chiropractor. So 5, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. So 167. 167. And the final category is vacation. Vacation got $85. All right. That is it. Sorry, guys. That is it for cash stuffing and get it into the bank. All right. That's all I have for now. Thanks for joining me. Hey, you know what? I have nothing bad to say about the 100 envelope challenge. It works. It does. It works. It works. It works. I have been allocating the money, realizing that was a lot of money that I saved, and I'm very happy and I'm very thankful. I'm very appreciative. So if you're able to do the 100 envelope challenge, even if it takes you a year to do it, because that's pretty much about the time it took for me to do it, or 2 years, it doesn't matter. When you finish, you will feel accomplished. So I encourage somebody to try out the 100 envelope challenge. Although I promise you, I will not be trying it again. I love the results, but it's just, I want faster results. Smaller, faster results work for me too. All right, that's all I have for now. Thank you guys for joining me. Thanks for stopping by and spending some time with me. If you like this video and want to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success.